Hello, good morning. Are you happy today? I hope everybody is okay. We will come to our ways with the words. The one act to play something unspoken. The last class we reached the conversation between the house owner like Cornelia Scott and Grace. And Grace has been a secretary to our Cornelia for a long time. And though they are very intimate, in their mind they are separated. And by the way, Cornelia wants to be a regent of the women's club. Later, what is going to happen, we are going to see. So this is the plot that slowly grows into a level of a crisis. As I told every one act to play or every drama has a structure in the way that it starts by an exposition followed by a little bit an initial incident and it slowly goes to a climax, and from the climax it goes down falling action, and last the time the end of the story like a catastrophe happening. Here also, on the one hand, we find Cornelia Scott, who is a symbol and the epitome of snobbery and arrogancy, and she also always wants to be controller of something, and she has already put her name for the election in the Regent Women's Club. By the way that she is sitting in the house, this time Grace coming secretary, who is also in the inner mind is totally different, like Luna Bimbert in Packletide's Tiger that you studied in CBSE. Packletide is very arrogant, where Luna Bimbert always paid companion. But later what happens? Our Packletide dismisses her because incidental expenses are very heavy. That is studied in CBSE, one act to play. In the same way, here we find Grace. At the same time, all of a sudden one piece of spoon falls down and makes a lot of noise, and now she calls Lucinda. Lucinda is a servant of the house. Unfortunately, our Cornelia Scott reports she is on leave today. She has not come to the house for service. And Grace actually wonders. This I told this is written in a way to show the snobbery as well as the arrogancy of a mistress of the house. That some people are walking like that in their pompous manner. Where we find your Cornelia Scott stands in the majestic way, just like I am the leader of the world, like. Grace in the mind is slowly laughing at what this lady is doing. Grace, she is on leave today, nervous. And Grace, oh dear, this day, particular day that you feel throat pain, laryngitis, you take page number 148. I had reminded you without textbook following me, the one act to play is very difficult. So bring your textbook, open page number 148. Grace telling who you are suffering from laryngitis, in the example that throat pain, sore throat, that you have the particular disease day that your servant has not come. Cornelia, no sleep. Why she reports in the previous stage in the exposition, Lucinda went to attend a funeral ceremony. What type of funeral ceremony was it? We discussed that it was a colored funeral in town. Colored funeral. What did I explain in the last class regarding the phrase colored funeral? The Western countries, they had a different style of funeral ceremony. And this is colored one means once Negroes and black people die, they are taken to cemetery in a colored way, means in a pompous way. So, sometimes in even our Tamil Nadu, you have seen our cemetery, people taken to cemetery with the band set and singing songs and all that, right? because they feel that death is a symbol of, death is a beginning of another life in different world. So they put dance and banding and all that. They take the dead body to the cemetery. So in different world, different countries, they follow different style. So here she reports it is a colored funeral ceremony. So with the noise of the colored ceremony in the cemetery in my nearby house, I could not sleep yesterday. I could not sleep. Such a big noise made. Grace, Mrs. Scott residence. So just in a moment, that time again, telephone rings. Grace takes the phone. Mrs. Scott's residence. Oh, just a moment, please. And she is ready to hand over phone. That time Cornelia snatches the phone. Esmeralda, are you in upstairs now? You know that you underline Esmeralda is the name of a lady who is in the club manipulating or working on behalf of Cornelia in the house. Cornelia now sitting in the house with Grace, but controlling the election in the region for the purpose post of the region in the club. And Esmeralda, her friend, now controlling the voting number and all that. So she again the previous area, like she asked her to go to upstairs so that Cornelia can speak to her in privately. So she is wondering, oh Esmeralda, are you there in the upstairs? Not among the other stupid people. Are you in the upstairs? Can I talk now secretly? Cornelia, Esmeralda, are you in the upstairs now? Grace, yeah, it is in Esmeralda, it is Mrs. C.C. Bright. Then Grace report, no ma'am, this is not Esmeralda now talking, C.C. Bright. Cornelia, oh, one moment, like she shrubs, and how dare you put me on the line with that woman, idiot, good for nothing, useless donkey. Asking very wonderful, because C.C. Bright is an enemy to our Cornelia, very big enemy, just like adversary. A technical word is there called adversary. Alright, adversary means what? That you have to study. Adversary. Adversary is enemy. So C.C. Bright now has been very adversary to our Cornelia. Say there, adversary means total enemy. What is called opponent. So you have what you studied in one act to play the conversation between A and B or X and Y in order to make you bright enough to talk good English. So study certain vocabulary which are not available in the textbook, that you connect it to some other books and get ideas. Oh, Esmeralda, that is Mrs. Bright. Cornelia all of a sudden hand over the phone to Grace and tell, stop it, good for nothing. Why should you allow me to talk to Bright? Grace, Cornelia, I was just going to ask if you, Cornelia, hush, don't talk. Now give me the phone, I will manage. What can I do for you, please? Cornelia, not pretending in other way, taking the phone. Okay, C.C. Bright, what can I do for you, please? No, I am afraid that my garden will not be open. Mrs. C.C. Bright always wants to come to her house and relax in the garden in front of the house. So C.C. Bright is not allowed to, because our Cornelia is very much a tight corner. She is suffering in a very confused manner. So she told, no, Bright, Mrs. Bright, today my house is not having that much freedom. You need not to come today and enjoy sitting in my park. I am afraid that my garden will not open. Underline that. This because she has curtailed all types of her freedom in the house. I think the cultivation of the gardens is an aesthetic hobby. Underline aesthetic. just like a pronunciation is aesthetic, we call generally aesthetic hobby, not a competitive sport. Individual visitors will be welcome if they call in advance. So I decided nowadays, individual visitors in my house in the garden will be given permission only in advance. If you want to enter to my garden, should inform me 2-3 days in advance, then I can allow. Today I am not ready to allow you. I can arrange for my gardener to show them around, and also that will felicitate me, that will enable me to advise my gardener to show you all the types of flowers in my house. Today I don't think I can help you. Pilgrims and devastation my garden suffered last spring. So without my attention, without my notice, so many people entered to my garden. So many flowers and plants had been devastated, means destroyed. So that I cannot allow. This is the last chance. If you want to visit once again, you just inform me at least a couple of days in advance, so that I can allow. You are entirely welcome. Yes, goodbye. Now talking finish, Grace. I think the election would have been less of a strain if you had gone in, Cornelia. What does it mean? Grace, talking in a different way. If you had gone to the club, election would be very easy. If you are sitting in the house and controlling the election in the women's club, will be difficult because you are contesting for the supreme post, regent. Regent means the governor of the club. That is not an easy post to get. So you would have gone there and control all the voters in the club. That made Cornelia, I do not know what you are talking about. Aren't you up for office? Up for office? What is up for office? Why, something. Cornelia, have you ever known to me run for anything, Grace? You mean that me like a lady going and begging ought from others, ought me? No, I am a bombastic lady, proud lady of the society. Even though I will sit in my house, I can control the election. If they want my service there, they will put order to me. All right. So I need not to go there and find and beg others to put my order. Whenever I have held in office in the society, it has been insistence of members, because I really have an aversion to holding office. That also underline page number 149 top. Underline, that is an aversion. Underline aversion, a technical word. That is called hatred. All right, hatred. People, even though hate me, they know my capacity. With my that means what? My absence in the club will tell the presence. So that they can put. Even my name is enough. All right, just like I don't know how many of you have seen a very big movie, Sholay. All right, Sholay. That if not seen, you just watch television, your Prime Video or Amazon. Sholay, the very Ramesh Sippy's film or movie, in which a big dacoit, what is called dacoit means gang, kingpin, gang leader. His name is Amjad Khan. All right, he acted, and it is reported he, before acting in the film, had been advised to be a gang leader or dacoit. For 5 years he practiced. And he became the villain of the cinema. Ramesh Sippy's Sholay that you watch. It was there in the theaters in 1975. All right, very big movie, the first movie in 70mm produced by Indians. All right, that you have to see. There one villain, this Amjad Khan, comes and telling, he tells the public or tells the, all the other soldiers, telling, dacoit soldiers, telling that my name is enough. If the child is crying, not taking food in the hand of mother, mother would say, Gabbar Singh aa jayega. Gabbar Singh aa jayega means Gabbar Singh is the dacoit. If Gabbar Singh's name is enough, that crying child will begin to eat food. In the sense that here, my absence will telling the prisons, my name is enough. Quality inside, just like my name is enough. Cornelius Scott. Even the name written in the flex there in front of the women's club means I will be elected. Because they know my capacity. Because they know my potential. Yeah, it's a test of something. You see, I have known for some time that there is a little group, clique and daughters, which is hostile to me. Some women are there who are stupid enough. They will be always against me because they do not recognize the best. But I am the best woman in the world, at least I know. So some people, definitely, they understand my grace. Oh, Cornelia, I am sure you must be mistaken. Not in that way. No, there is a movement against me. Always some people have a movement against me. That's why I keep absent. I keep away from the club now. Even though election is going on there, I am sitting in my house. Now there is a movement against me. A movement? Yeah, a movement against you. An organized movement to keep me out of any important office. Underline. Even though election is there, Cornelia tells some people indirectly making an organized attempt to keep me away from the club. But I won't allow it. I have applied for regent post. If they want, let them elect me. Let them elect me so that I can guide them in the correct way. Otherwise, they will lose their control. If this regent club is not there, I will choose the best one. Other best one. Not only this one. Just like we have different branches of Lions Club, or Wiseman International Club. So many clubs are there where some club is not regarding in the proper way. Means what? I will go and find other sources of clubs. There are plenty enough. Why should I? Just like John Keats says, here is plenty. Why should I worry? Here is plenty. Just like everybody wants to eat one core piece of apple, but you go to Shaktan market, you go to Guruvayur market, plenty apples are kept in the shop. Which one you want, you can buy. That's why John Keats, the romantic poet, says, here there is plenty everywhere in, just like above our demand, so many things are there, then why should I worry? In the sense that here there are plenty clubs are there, why should I go? What this regent club to me and me to this club? Just like Shakespeare asking in the Hamlet, who is Hecuba to me and me to Hecuba? Who is me, Cornelia, to this club and this club to me? I will go for another club and will become regent there if they do not want me to be so. So Cornelia, no, there is movement. So some everywhere people will be there in an organized attempt to dethrone somebody. Even in the political scenario we find so. Grace, but haven't you always had some important office in that chapter? Grace, haven't you always held some important office in the chapter? I have never been regent of it, though I had been there in the office like a treasurer, secretary, or office bearer, sort of positions I enjoyed. But that time, always I regard myself, one day or another day, I will become the topmost leader of the club. That is why, or that may be the reason, I applied in this election for the post of a regent, that means top governor. You misunderstand me. You want to be a regent? No. I don't want to be a regent. Oh, I don't want to be anything whatsoever. I simply won't break up this movement against me. So that purpose I've rallied and forces. Rallied. That technical word underline. Rallied. Gathered so many supporters. Rallied. The leader can rally all the people coming from the backside, no? These people may not have such a sensibility. But anyway, leader will be on the top and so many followers from the back. Zindabad, 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 like that going. All right, some people say Zindabad, whatever they do in front, leader will be calling slogans, many slogans against the government and all that. All the people from the back will say, angane thanne, angane thanne, what? No meaning at all, but followers will be there, not by understanding the quality. So rallying, your forces her lips to each slightly as if you had an historical impulse to smile. Cornelia, yes, I still have some friends in the chapter that you underline. Even though some organized attempts are there in the club to defeat me, no worry, I have some good number of friends there. Chapter means in the club, who have resisted the movement. Oh, I have solid support of all the board members. Why then I should think you would be nothing to worry about? If you have a good number of people there in the board meeting, in the board, then why should you worry? 90% vote will be getting, then you will be the region, you need not to worry. Cornelia, the chapter has expanded too rapidly lately. Women have been admitted that could not get into front pew at the Scott Baptist Church, and that is disgraceful. Page number 150, Second Baptist Church. So some people are there. Everywhere we find such problems are there, right? Some people are there who belong to a particular church, a group of congregation. They are standing against me. Wherever they get a chance, they will put what you call in Malayalam, they will make a para to me. So they make a para. All right, they are disturbing in different way. So that community belongs to a particular church, always against me. But since it really is a patriotic society, grace telling, but your club seems to be very popular and you have, all the people have credibility. My dear Grace, there are 2 chapters of Confederation of Daughters in the city of Maradine. Now, just like Lions Club I referred, this club has 2 important branches in this city. 2 Confederate Daughters, women's club. There is the Forest chapter, which is social riffraff, and there is the character which has been supposed to have a little bit of distinction. I am not a snob, underline. This is hypocritic. Cornelia telling herself, Grace, please understand me. I am not pomp enough. I am not pompous character. Because telling in the way, but she is acting, she is just like an arrogant woman. I am nothing for it democratic. You know that. Grace, Mrs. Scott's raised one, again phone came. Then Grace took the phone. Yeah, Scott's residence. It's Esmeralda Hawkins. Then Cornelia jumps to the phone and taking, oh, Esmeralda, I was waiting for you. Why you took much time to call me? Why? Is there everything happen? It took you a long time to call back? I thought you said luncheon was over. Well, I am glad that you fortify yourself bit of tea. What did your buffet consist of? Our Cornelia is not directly asking about election. This is called hypocrisy. She is asking, what all the items arranged for buffet lunch? What all things kept there in the club? Everybody satisfied. Buffet, self-service lunch. Chicken elang, and would you know that? That's the characters of Puva Amelia. What bits of pimento and thyme mushrooms? All the items what you have arranged there in the club. What did you ladies counting their calories? All the calories means very, yes, like, some women are in the shape of a very pig, what you call, auto-rickshaw type in a very big size, and they ask, their weight has gone, or are they starting to take heavy food because of their calories reduced? Nibbled around the edges and poverty, and afterwards, I suppose there was a lemon sherbet, underline sherbet. That is a Hindi loaned word to English. English people begin to use sharbat. Sharbat is Hindi word like here. So lemon sharbat serving. Lady Fingers, okay, what the hairband, then Lady Fingers, what a departure, what is that going on? Very big sound going there, what happened, what, just like rejection of faith, people making a lot of noise there. What is going on? Esmeralda talk to me, discussing the civil rights program. Anybody talking about Obama and Michelle? Does she mean anything international type of discussion going on? What is your opinion, Isma? I do hope that you understand my position clearly. I don't wish to hold my office in a chapter unless it is by acclamation. Underline acclamation, unanimously elected. What Cornelia says, I don't want anybody's charity. You just tell all the members of the club, I don't want to be a regent unless they elect me unanimously. If anybody has a difference of opinion, you report, don't elect me. I don't want to be regent. If unanimous decision that you ask me, request me, then I will become the governor, regent of the club. Unanimous acclamation, just a unified opinion. You know what it means, don't you? It's a parliamentary form. It means when someone is decided to office unanimously that no vote has to be taken. So there is no meaning of contesting. If everybody is okay with me, then I am ready. Okay, I have served as a treasurer for the terms, twice a secretary. I am not an ordinary person. You just tell them, I have been treasurer, I have been secretary to the club. But now, if you want, you elect me. I will become the regent, top leader of the chaplain. Confident altogether to serve the board. I have served the board for many times. If a daughter feel that I have demonstrated my capabilities, underline capabilities, 151 top. I am not an ordinary woman. That you should know. You should make others know. I am very powerful. I am rich. I have a lot of capacities, potential. My competence can never be questioned by anybody in the club. Okay, that you make others to understand. I've been named a regent without vote take by unanimous acclamation. And you know, once I mean is bold enough to propose someone to else. Do you understand my position? In that eventuality had its own imagine, I prefer to go out of the picture entirely. If any one of them is against me, if any one of the people against me, I don't want that post. Why should I take this post? I am not such ordinary person to control these stupid people. If you want my service, you elect me. That is not in the way, proper way. All people should agree. Otherwise, you just tell them you won't get Cornelius Court for that type of election. Okay? Are you okay? You understand me? Okay. The moment one and no is made second, my own must be withdrawn at once, unconditionally. Is that quite understand, Esmeralda? Then good. Go back to the downstairs. Now secret talking finish. You come down to the dining hall. All the stupid people now eating there. No. Talk to them. Digest your chicken, king. My dear, call me again to the upstairs phone. Soon there is something to tell me. If any type of thing to be informed after the lunch, big lunch that you arranged there for all the stupid people to eat, let them eat. Then you call me later. I will talk to you. Grace, they haven't had it yet. Election not over. Cornelia, had what? The election? Not yet. It seems to be imminent though, Cornelia. Why don't you think about something else until it's over? Let the election go there. Why can't you think about something better than in the house? Cornelia, what makes you think that I am nervous about? Do you feel that I am nervous that I should lose my election there? You are breathing so fast. I didn't sleep well last night. But it seems that you are breathing very much high. That shows us that you are tensed. Okay, it's not a matter of tension. I could not sleep in the last night. I told you, a big colored funeral ceremony was there. House station in the side. I'm sorry, it's nothing. A muscular You come to page number 152. Contraction that comes. Cornelia, what strain does it come in your grace? What strain? I don't know. The strain of what would you like to tell me? Excuse me, where are you going? Upstairs for a moment. Grace reported Cornelia, I am going to the upstairs now. I just remembered I should have taken my drops of belladonna. That is a medicinal plant. Drops of belladonna, you underline. The medicinal plant. It is not good after eating. After eating this belladonna plant's leaves you eat, it will be digestive. Cornelia, it is no good after eating. I suppose that's right, isn't? But you want to escape? Of course not. Several times lately you have rushed out of me. I suddenly threatened you with a knife. Cornelia, I have been jumpy. It's always when something is almost spoken between us. Whenever we begin to talk a serious thing, that time you skip away from my talk. Grace, I wish you dismiss completely from my mind. Why should a symphony on the machine? Grace, Cornelia telling no. How about the back piano strings? You know that everybody knows they have a gramophone, they kept a particular record. This record is slowly going and repeating. Then Cornelia asking, why can't you change the record? Why can't you put another music? No, I said, something very light and quiet, melodious song, just like old French metright maybe. Cornelia, anything to avoid a talk between us, anything to avoid a conversation. Grace, there is, just like a thing. Landowska is playing, Hasport selection, all these are musicians, just like A.R. Rahman or what is called Celine Dion, like. Cornelia says grimly, Grace presumes she see it. Closing the eye, she speaks and enchanted. How smooth things that. Cornelia, completely dishonest. Music? Dishonest? It not working in. It is slowly goes in a scratchy way. Then Cornelia, completely some smooths things over instead of speaking. Music hath charms soothe the savage beast. Underline, that is a proverbial expansion. What is called the music can. Shakespeare has put music is food of love. Okay, if music in the heart, you are a lover. In the way, this music will soothe your all the pains. Cornelia, yes, savage breast. Then sublime. Cornelia grudgingly, Landowska is an artist of rare precision. Landowska is a musician. As such a noble face provide fine song at which style after we will play. After this music, we will send another music like. Cornelia, dearest, is there something you have filed notice? Where? Right under your nose. Now you see, you mean my flower? I mean your rose. Of course, I noticed my rose. Underline the statement 153 bottom. I noticed my rose the moment I came in the room. You know, Cornelia has a practice of presenting a beautiful rose flower to Grace every once in a year. Means she has been given, including the present flower, 15 rose flowers. Means what? Grace has been in the service of Cornelia for 15 years. That is a symbolic. You made no allusion to it. Now, this is not the way that. So, we have reached there in the almost climax situation where Grace and in this drama, scene never changes. Only the parlor room of our Cornelia in the mansion is arranged and organized for the dramatic presentation. So Cornelia is a very snobber in character. So you have to read each line and underline difficult word. In the revision time, you can ask me or text me. Till that moment, wish you all the best. We will continue next class. Thank you.